My name is Talia ydw I, and I'm studying Health and Social Level 1. When learning Welsh, I feel like happy because we go to a nursing home and it's like elderly people who like might know more Welsh than English, so like they're more in their comfort zone, and it's just interesting to like be learning another language.
My name's Neve ydw I, a rydw i'n dysgu Iechyd a Gofal. Mae'n gwybod i sut I siarad Cymraeg yn rhoi fi hyder oherwydd mae llawer o pobl eisiau pobl sy'n gallu siarad y Cymraeg nawr, oherwydd mae mwy o pobl yn mynd I ysgolion Cymraeg, fel os fi'n gweithio mewn ysbyty a mae rhywun yn siarad Cymraeg ond mae neb arall gallu, rydw fi gallu helpu nhw a fel bod fel entrepreneur ar y ward neu rhywbeth.
I think it's going to help my career because if I know Welsh, then I can speak to more people. I'm not like limited to like who I can talk to, and it's just better for people who are Welsh as their first language.
Mae'r Cymraeg yn fel tyfu, felly fel ni fel Glan mae'n rhaid I ni siarad fe mwy a dysgu fe.